Off-road shops and overland outfitters, are you tired of the big names in your space taking up all the jobs even when you know you provide a better and more professional service? Do you ever wonder what they're doing to attract and manage drivers of specific vehicles and customers who are actually serious about building out their 4x4s? My name is Max Powell, and for the last 5 years, I've been helping local off-road shops grow their businesses and expand their service offerings. And we deploy the same strategies that these big names are using to keep their calendars booked year-round. At Outsiders Media, we've developed an all-inclusive, done-for-you ads service that includes high-quality 4x4 content that is specifically designed to grow your off-road shop in your local area. And this is exactly how we were able to get results like this for our clients. Let's jump into the provided CRM software and take a look at Iron Rigs, who gathered over 1,200 leads and over $60,000 in opportunity value. Or the Overland Truck Store, who got over 1,300 leads. Still not convinced? Let's take a look at another one of our clients. How about Marlin Crawler, who gathered over 900 prospects who are interested in having their vehicle lifted at their shop. In addition to the local leads that we generated, we also sold their products online with a conversion value of over 44.65 ROAS. On this local campaign, we gathered almost 1,000 leads at only $2.70 per lead, and in a separate conversion campaign saw a ROAS of 38.2. We also got Ironman 4x4 over 120 leads in their first month for less than $400, and Next Jump Outfitters 27 purchases in their first month. We do this by creating custom content for your brand. We'll then create highly targeted ad campaigns that are focused towards drivers of specific vehicles. And these are people who show a high interest in 4x4 and overland activities and are actively looking to build out their rigs. We're gonna set up email and text message automations that do the heavy lifting of lead nurture and sales for you. That way, when the prospect shows up at your shop, they know exactly what they're getting into and they're ready to buy from you right away. We're going to include an all-inclusive CRM software that helps you manage prospects and make sales on a regular basis. This is going to streamline the way that you do business and help you organize all of the prospects and all of the interest that's coming to you on a regular basis. Now, I'm sure you've tried running advertisements in the past and maybe even had poor results. You either worked with a local ad guy or one of the run-of-the-mill agencies. And so I want to tell you why our strategy is different. Not only are we backed by some of the biggest names in the industry, we're using tactics that I picked up on during my time working with companies like BF Goodrich, Honda, Can-Am, Polaris, Ironman 4x4, and many other off-road brands. But it goes beyond just me as the founder of the company. The members of my team are active off-road and overland enthusiasts who speak the same language, build the same vehicles, go on the same trips as all of your customers. So if you're looking for ultimate traction in your off-road business, it's time you installed Outsiders Media. Getting started is super simple. Click the link below, make an appointment, and we'll meet face-to-face over Zoom to have a quick discussion about your business and what we do at Outsiders Media. We'll help you come up with an awesome strategy to deploy in your company. We could have new leads pouring into your company from your local audience within as little as 2 weeks. But slots are super limited. We only take 5 new clients per month. Now, if you're seeing this, you'll want to hurry because we do offer exclusivity. We don't work with 2 shops within the same zip code. So if you want to beat out your competition, make sure that you're the first one to sign up with Outsiders Media. So go ahead, click the link below and get started right away.